Unleash the power of your Google Sheets data by transforming into interactive dashboards. Let's dive into connecting Looker Studio with your spreadsheets. First, head over to Looker Studio and create a new blank report by clicking the plus sign labeled blank report. This is where the magic will happen. You'll be prompted to connect to a data source. Find Google Sheets in the list and click on it. Make sure you are logged into the Google account associated with your Google Sheet. Now, you'll see a list of your Google Sheets. Select the sheet you want to use as a data source. A prompt may appear. Confirm the permission by clicking Authorize. Before connecting, ensure use first rows headers is checked. If your sheet has column headers, you can also choose to include hidden and filtered cells, depending on your needs. Once you're happy with your settings, click the blue Add button at the bottom. And just like that, Looker Studio is connected to your Google Sheet. You'll see a default table populated with your data. Now, you can start creating charts and dashboards to visualize and analyze your data. Explore Looker Studio's features to build interactive reports and gain deeper insights from your spreadsheets. Happy data visualizing!